In this video, we're going to add numbers with increasing place values. So it's actually an addition pattern. And if we have a problem like this that says complete the addition pattern, and you have 9 plus 7, 90 plus 70, 900 plus 700, 9,000 plus 7,000. So what you have to do for this kind of problem is break it down into place value. So we have 9 ones and 7 ones, and that equals 16 ones total. Then we have 9 tens and 7 tens, which equals 16 tens. And let's put that in. Let's write that in. Actually, let's write it all in at the end. So for this one, we have 900s plus 700s, so that's 1600s. And then finally, we have the last one, which is 9,000s plus 7,000s equals 16,000s. So let's write those in, okay? And let's use green. So 9 plus 7 ones equals 16 ones. So we have 16 ones here. 90 plus 70 equals 16 tens. So that's going to be 1 6 and a 0. 900s plus 700s equals 1600s. So that's going to be 16 with 2 zeros. That's what hundreds means. Then this one, 9,000s plus 7,000s equals 16,000s. So that's 16 with 3 zeros. That's 16,000s. So that's how you do this problem. And if you need more practice on place value, I have other problems like this in the description. There's links to it. And if you don't understand it right away, just rewatch the video.